Great heights, maneuver rapidly, and defy gravity. Images of birds in flight soaring through the skies signifies freedom and hope. But flying is not the only skill they know. So join us today as we show you a glimpse of how truly amazing and intelligent these birds are. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all start the show by welcoming our flag-raising birds, bandit. As you can see, their body is covered with mostly red plumage. Their wings and tail feathers are blue and green. This macaw has white naked face striped with small red feathers. And there you have it, folks. Our show has officially started. So, how about a big round of applause for Bandit and trainer PJ.
Hello everyone, Maayong Utko and welcome to Cebu Ocean Park's Amphitheater. I am Irvin, your host for today. Now guys, I have here an object which I will hide under one of these three silver cups. So where do you want me to put this object? On your left, right, or in the middle? Alright, let's put it right here. Now let's call in our psychic bird, Goldie. Goldie is our blue and gold macaw. Now guys, if you think Goldie can find a hidden object, let me hear you cheer. You can do it, Goldie. You can do it, Goldie. Alright, Goldie, find the hidden object for us. Alright, Goldie's searching. Voila, she found it! A round of applause for our psychic bird, Goldie, with trainer June. Now guys, our next featured birds are just like any married couple. Monogamous, meaning they will be partners for a lifetime. Pretty romantic, isn't it? But as any couples would attest, in a relationship there will always be battles. Now let's meet Blue and Goldie, our beautiful pair of blue and gold macaw. And today they will battle it out who's the best in a basketball game. But before we start this battle, I'd like to divide you guys into two groups. For all the girls, let's cheer for Goldie. Come on girls, say Goldie, 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 Goldie. Alright, now for the boys, let's cheer for Blue. Come on boys, say go Blue, go Blue, go Blue, go Blue. So are you guys ready? First ready, cheers ready, set, go. Come on guys, let's cheer for them. Oh, here comes Blue with his first ball, followed by Goldie. Second ball for Blue, and the last ball, Blue wins. That's all right, Goldie. There you go. So, Trainer June, you guys lost this game. What can you say?
Hold it, Trainer Peter. I want another race.
Oh, you want another race?
Are you sure about that? Do you want Goldie lose again?
Uh-oh.
I guarantee you, this time, Goldie and I will win.
Oh.
So, what race have in mind?
Yeah, What race?
I'm thinking of a ring race.
Ring race. What's the ring race?
The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the pole, the fastest is the winner. That is a ring race.
So a ring race it shall be. Now remember, boys already have 1 point, so let's cheer louder for Goldie to win this time. And we'll be doing this again with the ring race. So are you guys ready for the second round? Alright, so first ready, set, go! Come on guys, let's cheer for Goldie. So here comes Blue leading the way. First ring for Blue. Second one. Oh, hey, what's that? 3 rings at the same time. How clever is that? And the winner is... Wow, 3 rings at the same time. What can you say? Hey, you guys cheated. Oh, did you guys cheat?
We didn't cheat. Goldie used her brain.
Also, is it true that girls are more intelligent than the boys? Alright, let's give it up for Blue and Goldie. Now for the next part of the show, I'll be needing 1 adult volunteer with a 500 peso bill. Anyone? I need an adult volunteer with a 500 peso bill. Anyone? Just raise your hands. I need an adult volunteer with a 500 peso bill. How about a 100 peso bill? Alright, sir. Please join us here on stage.
Donate mo na yan.
As you'll notice, all of our birds in the show are parrots. That is because parrots are highly charismatic, colorful, intelligent, and musically inclined. Hello sir, maayong hapon. May I have your name please? A round of applause for volunteer Sir Herminio. Now sir, can you face me? Then extend your left arm like this. Left arm. Then I'll have your money. Now sir, do you have any idea what will happen next? So to give us all an idea, let's call in our money bird, Blue. Blue can detect if the money is fake or not. So Blue, shall we? Alright. Check the money, Blue. Blue flies over, gets the money. Blue flies back. And what will Blue do with the money? Blue will donate the money. A round of applause for our donor. Now sir, I have a question for you. Did you know that Cebu Ocean Park is also a wildlife rescue center for animals? Well now you know, and your money will go a long, long way. We're very grateful sir. Thank you so much. Another round of applause for a very generous donor. How about a 1,000 peso bill this time? Anyone? Donation for the animals. Sir? Sir? Are you okay? Are you sure? But I can really feel that you're sad, sir. No, sir, we're just kidding. It's just part of the show. Please come back here in front and we'll return your money. But before we will return your money, you will have a photo session with Blue. Right? Just ready your camera, sir? Snap photo. There you go. Give us your best pose and smile together with Blue. Alright, very good. Here's your money, sir. No, it's okay, sir. It's just part of the show. Thank you so much. Another round of applause for our volunteer. At this moment, we would like to show you Blue's amazing flying abilities. So everyone, please remain seated, ready your cameras as Blue will fly above your head. So again, Blue is a blue and gold macaw. Blue and gold macaw has a beautiful shade of blue on their back and a solid shade of yellow on their belly and inner wing. 70 years old. Their scientific name is Ara arauna. They typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, papaya, and rambutan. And they also love corn. There you go, magnificent, right? Another round of applause for our bunny bird, Blue. Now guys, who knows this game? This is called a shape box puzzle. You guys remember playing this while you were still a kid? Well, here's Bandit once again as he's going to show us how to put the shapes back to its correct slots. Come on, Bandit. Right, let's just wait for Bandit. And just like Bandit, green ring macaws are known as the gentle giants. They're the second largest parrot next to the hyacinth macaws.
Wow. Galing. Kita mo yung nalagay
They're
yung
widespread in the forests and open woodlands of Northern and Central America.
Triangle.
Did you know that their brains evolve the same way as ours? They're also capable of complex cognition.
Ano nilalagay? Sige.
Again, their scientific name is Arachloropterus. Are you sure about that, Bandit? They typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruit, salts, and minerals along the riverbanks. There you go, intelligent, right? Another round of applause for three we call Bandit with John. Now guys, who loves math? Everybody knows addition, right? Well, the next part of the show will leave most people baffled and amazed, even us trainers. But before we call in our mathematical wizard, I'll be needing two numbers from you guys from 1 to 50. Anyone? Okay, 2. Second number, please. I heard 7. So our equation is 2 plus 7. We all know the answer, right? But before I call in a mathematical wizard, I'll be shuffling the numbers first.
What's answer? Huh? 2 plus 7.
There you go. Now let's call in our mathematical wizard, Snow. Snow is our Moluccan cockatoo. Scientific name is Cakatua molescensis. They are one of the largest cockatoo of the cockatoo species. Alright, so Alpi, is Snow ready? Alright, Snow, solve the equation for us. Did Snow get the first number correct? Off to the second number. Second number, Snow. 2 plus 7 is equal to? Alright, let's give it up for our mathematical wizard, Snow.
Galing.
Alright, for the last part of the show, I'll be needing one adult female volunteer. No more money involved this time. Anyone? Adult female volunteer. Anyone?
Pero di naman malakas ka kanina.
Alright, ma'am. Let's join us here on stage. Here's Cebu Ocean Park, we have a variety of animals. We ensure to give them the best care we can give. The foods they eat are guaranteed fresh and healthy for them. Hello ma'am, maayong hapon. May I have your name please? A round of applause for our volunteer, Miss Ina. Now ma'am, you're about to meet Savvy. Do you have any idea what kind of animal Savvy is? So to give you an idea, Savvy is our cutest, fluffiest, and most gorgeous animal here in Cebu Ocean Park. Are you ready to meet her ma'am? Then if you're ready, let's call in Savvy!
Snake yan.
Again, Savvy! Go, security.
Oh, nakalipad ko kasi. Oh, nakalipad ko.
Snake ko no, bird show, ano mo? Wait lang ah.
Kukunin nila yung mga snake.
Hindi lang, diba?
Oo.
Ladies and gentlemen, it appears that we have a little situation here as Savvy is missing from her enclosure. But don't you worry, our staff are already looking for her. Chip, pwede parang Chip. Anybody here saw a white eagle fly by? Wala. Narato din sa dukol. Wala pa to kalagyo. Nangitlog. Napatay. Dito kalupad. Nangitlog mo na eh. Chip, wala balita. Na.
Irvin,
Ay, yes ma'am.
I just remembered.
Oh,
I put her in a box.
in a box. Anybody here saw a box? Oh, there oh. Tara mo daw, man. Tang na. Na. Napusa na daw. Pwede ba ho? How is she? Na?
Hapit makalupad.
Na? Tarong na. Oh, ayaw blihit. Tarong. No more feathers?
Kinain na.
Sway ko lumambak ba? Tulo na naman nakabuhan may kaon. Sana naman na.
Kinain na. Naging snake na.
Patay. There she is! Our Savannah Butter Lizard, Savvy! Now, ma'am, is it obvious? Wakasabot si ma'am siyang ibati. Savannah monitors are native from the grasslands of Africa. They're the smaller cousins of the Komodo dragons. Are you ready, ma'am? Good choice, ma'am. meeting a lizard this big? Is this your first time? How was the experience, ma'am? Unforgettable daw. Alright, another round of applause for a very brave volunteer. And once again, our savannah monitor lizard, Savvy. Here in Cebu Ocean Park, we believe there is hope. We're not only trying to take care of our friends in the ocean, but also in the land and air as well. Who here knows the 3 R's of the proper waste disposal? It's the reduce, reuse, and
Recycle.
recycle. Very good. Here comes our lovely birds once again as they're going to show us how to do the proper waste disposal. It helps our environment clean and fresh, saves the earth from pollution. Sad to say that a lot of animals are struggling with their lives due to climate change and global warming. See, if our lovely birds can do it, then so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of our show. Are the animals spectacular? Well, in our own way, no matter how small the effort, let's take action in saving them from extinction. And please, let's do our part in saving this world, because remember,
This is the only home we got.
so let me present to you the animals and trainers that made this show possible. We have Bandit with John. We have Savvy with Alfie. We have Jeanette, our DJ. Along with the other staff here in Cebu Ocean Park. This is me again, Irvin. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.